When it comes to printing your exquisite miniatures, selecting the perfect 3D printer filament is paramount to achieving outstanding results for your projects. The 3D printer filament market offers a myriad of cutting-edge features and innovations, including advanced color palettes, unrivaled precision, and material properties that bring your miniature creations to life. In this captivating video, we'll explore the best leading 3D printer filaments that are set to revolutionize the miniature market in 2024. With such a robust and constantly evolving industry, knowing which filament is best for your needs can be overwhelming. We have listed the best 3D printer filament for miniatures in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each 3D printer filament in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is Tuori PLA 3D printer filament. The Tuori PLA 3D printer filament is unquestionably the frontrunner in 3D printing for miniatures in 2024. This filament epitomizes precision and reliability, which set new standards for hobbyists and professionals alike. It boasts an innovative, clog-free design that ensures a seamless and stable printing experience. Its meticulous manufacturing process sets it apart, where the filaments undergo complete drying for a full 24 hours before being vacuum sealed with desiccants in a transparent bag. With its exceptional components, the advanced CCD diameter measuring and self-adaptive control system ensures a remarkable diameter accuracy of +/0.03 millimeters. For those seeking perfection, the Tuori filament offers an impressive 98% probability of 1.75 millimeters +/0.02 diameter accuracy and a 99% probability of 1.75 millimeters +/0.03. With a generous 1 kilogram spool, you'll have plenty of material for your intricate projects. The recommended nozzle temperature range of 190 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius and a heated bed temperature range of 25 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius provide versatility that makes it compatible with various 3D printers. Its cooling fan operates at 100% to prevent overheating during printing. And the Tuori PLA 3D printer filament is the ultimate choice for miniatures that ensure flawless creations that exceed expectations. If you're interested in this colorful PLA 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 2 is BBLIFE Silk Shiny Black PLA 3D printer filament. The BBLIFE Silk Shiny Black PLA 3D printer filament is an all-in-one and immaculate solution for 3D printing enthusiasts, especially those who are passionate about creating intricate miniatures in 2024. It begins with a deep, lustrous black and seamlessly transitions into a vibrant silk orange, creating a mesmerizing color shift. This enchanting transformation occurs randomly every 5 to 10 meters, which ensures that each miniature you create becomes a unique masterpiece of artistry. If anyone wants to achieve professional-grade results effortlessly with this filament, it ensures smooth and glossy finishes for your 3D prints that make them ideal for a wide range of applications, like 3D design, crafting, and intricate modeling projects. The BBLIFE Silk Shiny Black PLA filament is compatible with various FDM 3D printers, like popular brands like Creality Ender, ANYCUBIC, Flashforge, Monoprice, and SCRIB 3D. The filament is meticulously crafted from 100% new raw materials to ensure superior quality. It undergoes rigorous quality control processes to minimize warpage and shrinkage, which results in a flawless printing experience without any bubbles or jams. Each 2.2 pound, 1 kilogram spool is carefully vacuum sealed to preserve its exceptional performance over time. With its compact dimensions of 7.99 x 7.87 x 2.83 inches, it is convenient to store while maintaining its outstanding attributes. If you're interested in this shiny silk PLA 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is eSUN PLA Pro PLA Plus 3D printer filament. In the rapidly evolving world of 3D printing, the choice of materials is crucial, especially when crafting intricate miniatures. Enter the eSUN PLA Pro, PLA Plus, 3D printer filament, the undisputed champion of miniature fabrication. This filament, weighing 1 kilogram, approximately 2.2 ounces, is meticulously packaged in a vacuum-sealed desiccant container, ensuring a pristine and moisture-free environment for your filament to thrive. This filament truly excels in layer bonding, which makes it a dream for miniature artisans. It surpasses standard PLA in strength, ensuring long-lasting and intricately crafted creations. With a filament diameter accuracy of +/0.03 millimeters, your precision becomes your greatest ally. The recommended extrusion/nozzle temperature range of 205 degrees Celsius to 225 degrees Celsius strikes the perfect balance for achieving exquisite detail in your miniatures. The eSUN PLA Pro is conveniently packaged on a spool with a diameter of 8 inches, a width of 2.50 inches, and a hub hole diameter of 2.05 inches. This thoughtful design ensures smooth and uninterrupted feeding, enhancing the printing experience. With an inner circle diameter of 3.5 inches, it offers compatibility with a wide range of 3D printers, making it a versatile and reliable choice. If you're interested in this filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is the HATCHBOX Black PLA 3D Printer Filament. The HATCHBOX Black PLA 3D Printer Filament is an all-in-one solution tailored for miniatures enthusiasts in 2024 that offers a seamless fusion of innovation and convenience. It is meticulously crafted with precision and designed with the future in mind, and this filament is poised to elevate your costume-making endeavors to unprecedented heights. At its core, this filament prides itself on exceptional dimensional accuracy, which boasts a mere +/0.03 millimeters deviation in filament diameter. When it comes to temperature versatility, the HATCHBOX PLA filament takes the crown. With a recommended extrusion/nozzle temperature range of 180 degrees Celsius to 210 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, it seamlessly adapts to various 3D printers that offer you the flexibility to select the ideal temperature for your specific project. It is also engineered to withstand the demands of miniatures wear and tear, and it ensures a seamless flow throughout the printing process. This empowers you to confidently craft props, miniatures, and other accessories that look stunning and stand the review of time. The HATCHBOX Black PLA filament is supplied in a practical 1 kilogram spool that provides ample material to bring your miniatures ideas into reality. With this filament, your 3D prints will showcase unparalleled precision, faithfully reproducing even the most intricate details of your miniature costume. If you're interested in this Black PLA 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the Polymaker Easy to Sand PLA Filament. When it comes to crafting the ultimate miniature, you won't find anything better than the Polymaker Easy to Sand PLA Filament. This game-changing filament is packed with a wealth of features, which makes it the undisputed champion of the 3D printing world. It inherits the exceptional qualities of the Polylite 3D printer filament 1.75 millimeters COS PLA and is specially formulated to meet even the most demanding printing requirements. With this filament, you can expect highly detailed prints that are nothing short of perfection. The new and improved Polymaker Easy to Sand PLA filament is now available in a cutting-edge 3.0 version of eco-friendly packaging. Imagine this: a spool and box made entirely from recycled cardboard. Not only are they revolutionizing miniatures, but they are also positively impacting the planet. No more frustrating issues like warping, jamming, blobs, or layer delamination. This filament offers unparalleled reliability. Take charge of your 3D printing journey with a nozzle temperature range of 190 at C, 220 at C, and a bed temperature range of 30 at C, 60 at C. Whether printing intricate details or massive props, you'll have complete control. You can print at your desired pace with a printing speed of 30 millimeters / to 70 millimeters /. If you're interested in this 3D printer filament, check out the link in the description box below. After reviewing each of the 5 best 3D printer filaments for miniatures in 2024, You now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your gun parts will always be printed perfectly and quickly with these filaments. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.